units out.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Get him in the back! Get him in the back! We gotta go!
What's going on, YouTube gang? It's your boy FYB Mark coming back at you with another video. And today we're going to be speaking on this bogus video right here, G, that I seen on Twitter. But I ain't going to lie to you. Shout out my boy Truth Teller. You know, he whooped it as well. And I ain't going to lie, G. I watched this video and I was like, bruh, this cop, bruh. This is why it's important for us to push this piece, bro, because we got monsters out here like this, bro. This is a kid riding a dirt bike, G.
Dispatch, Depot 36, start me EMS! Oh, fuck! Fuck! Depot 36, dispatch! Depot 36, start me EMS! Depot 36! It's okay, it's okay. Dude, we got EMS coming. Sir, we got EMS coming. Depot 36, start me rescue! It's okay, baby. I got you. I got you. You just hit fucking 36, dispatch, I need EMS. We got EMS coming. Stop sign as I was going back to the single lane. Dispatch on the EMS forthwith. We gotta put him in the car. We gotta put him in the car. Maple and 23rd, Maple and 23rd.
Get on the radio, get rescue here now. He's on the way,
Hey, baby, you okay?
41 units, I need someone to get to 23rd Maple.
Stay cool. No. Gabe, you gotta start CPR.
And move back, child, and move back.
Does anybody have an AED? Does anybody have an AED?
And you smack this kid with a car. Come on, bro. Do y'all know what them little mini dirt bikes, G, that they be selling at Walmart and different places like that? That them kids be on? Bro, this ain't even, it may be gas, but it got a little tank probably about this big, bro. Like, it ain't even nothing too serious, bro. It's a little mini bike. This thing, you could literally pick it up, like, it's probably 50 pounds, G. Like, and I ain't even gonna lie to you. The kid, bro, the little boy so little. He's so little, bruh. They picking him up. I'm like, damn, bruh. And this is the young man you hit with a car? You hit him with an SUV? Bruh, I don't know how bad I gotta scream. Your ass need to be fired, nigga. This is why we gotta continue to push this piece for the youth, bro. Because we got monsters out here, bro. Trying to kill our kids, bro. Trying to take our kids out. Just because they feeling a certain type of way. Because somebody pissed in their coffee. Guess what? It wasn't that kid that pissed in your coffee. It wasn't that kid that pissed in your Cheerios before you went to work. So don't take it out on them. This right here, bro, watching this video and seeing this kid, bro, and he fighting for his life, this is bogus, G. When y'all scream, we protected them, we protected them, where the fuck was his protecting and serving? Because you hit him with a cop. Let's make this make sense. But it's your boy FYB Mar, man. I'm just giving y'all my thoughts in this situation. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section, G. I don't know how bad I gotta scream this, G. This is a monster, bro. And this is why we gotta push peace, bro. Not only the drill rappers and da-da-da-da-da. Bro, we got monsters in our community that sit up here and say they're here for our youth and our community, but do things like this. It's time for us to change, bro. We need change. We need something better in our community, bro. Y'all need to stop killing each and every way, bro. Besides a gun, running people over, all that, bro. Let's keep it a buck. But it's your boy FYB Mar, man. I'm just giving y'all my thoughts in this situation, man. It's crazy because, man, we done seen time after time police officers injuring people, bro. Come on now, G. We got to do better. But it's your boy FYB Mar, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bells on, and I'm out.
Dispatch, Depot 36, start me EMS! Oh, fuck! Fuck! Depot 36, dispatch, Depot 36, start me EMS! Depot 36! It's okay, it's okay. Sir, we got EMS coming. Sir, we got EMS coming. Depot 36, start me rescue! It's okay, baby, I got you, I got you, I got you, I got you. You just hit fucking 36, dispatch, I need EMS! We got EMS coming, we got EMS coming! Stop sign as I was going back to the single lane. Dispatch on the EMS forklift. We gotta put him in the car. We gotta put him in the car. Maple 23rd, Maple 23rd.
Get on the radio, get rescue your now. He's on the way.
Hey, baby, you okay?
41 units, I need someone to get to 23rd Maple.
He's getting close. No. Dave, you gotta start CPR. Does anybody have an AED? Does anybody have an AED?
Yeah, they've already dispatched units out.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Get him in the back! Get him in the back! We gotta go! Hey, dude! Hey, no.